Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. This is the 12th month of the year, and you know what that means? We made it through one entire year together doing this maintenance program. So I want to congratulate everybody out there who did it, who stayed strong, who fought the good fight, who held the line, who more colloquial phrase, not able to enunciate quite properly right now, probably due to my extreme emotions of joy for getting this far, if you can't tell. That, yes, we were able to do it. We diamond-handed this right-left hand session, and we did not leave early. We did not drop out. We did not sell when it looked like it was gonna go to all-time lows. I'm not sure when this really was at all-time lows, but maybe you guys had some insider information that I didn't and stayed strong despite knowing what you did. So if it sounds like the ramblings of a madman, I guarantee you I'm not mad. I'm actually pretty happy. So this is the ramblings of a happy man. And that probably doesn't mean much to you either anyways. But I just want to say, we did it. We're there. We're 12/12ths of the way through, also known as 1. So we are at 100%. This is pretty big, pretty amazing. And before I finish writing the final letters, well,